I think customers have to think about IoT because the number of the devices out there that can be connected outnumber people by a staggering number. And we're in the middle of a digital transformation as we speak.
We've seen customers with the use and deployment of IoT solutions improve their customer service, lower operating costs, or generate new business. I think it's critically important they think about it because it can create a competitive advantage and also generate new business for them.
Why IoT is a question we were asking years ago. Today we're asking how IoT. How do we enable solutions that bring a dramatic value to businesses and customers alike? And that's what we're trying to do here at T-Mobile.
Given that there's no one-size-fits-all solution for sensor to network connectivity, the real value comes from what is being connected, that's the nature of sensors, how it's being connected, that's the nature of the network, and number three, how the data is being transformed and utilized, right? That's the analytics and the actions that it takes. So to succeed with IoT deployment, T-Mobile believes that true collaboration is needed like never before.
Customers need to have a very specific plan and objective for any IoT deployment, just like any new technology. It needs to have some detailed planning, specifics about what you're trying to achieve. So if it's meant to improve customer service, then you need to track it with metrics and be very clear that it is improving customer service to the extent that you have planned.
To be successful in IoT, you have to have a good partner. You have to have a willing partner. You've got so many different moving parts that are difficult to scale in IoT. Devices and software and networks, and a lot of choices on every single one of those. So finding the right partnerships that understand what the business need is, what the ask is, and how to get value from that is really the place to start. And on top of that, from T-Mobile's perspective, is a nationwide, reliable network built for IoT applications.
Narrowband IoT is a network platform that is available now. It's one of the first networks built specifically for IoT. It supports low data rates, and it has acceptable performance for many mass market applications, and in many cases requires less power of those devices that you use. So it's very important that you see this first network built specifically for IoT is something you can work with now.
Well, first and foremost, T-Mobile was the first carrier in the US to announce narrowband IoT, and we're super proud to be building a network today that will be available in June, July this year. The natural benefits of narrowband over other technologies are better battery life, up to 10 years battery life for remote devices in the field, better in-building penetration from what's delivered on a typical LTE network. You also have cheaper module cost. Frankly, you just are able to combine the pieces of the puzzle to build IoT applications for everyday use and connect more remote sensors in the field, more fixed and some mobile applications that are out there. Narrowband also allows someone to build applications to scale on because you've got coverage nationwide. And you've also got global connectivity partners building out narrowband around the world, allowing you to build a single product and deploy it everywhere where your customers are connected.
It's very important for customers to realize that they need to have the right partner to deploy their IoT solutions. It normally involves a mobile operator who has done this before and has a network that supports IoT, as well in some cases some IoT solution partners. So having that right partner who gives you an end-to-end solution can make it happen faster, as well as simplify your solution for IoT.
We talked about the importance of having the right partner, and you're right, picking that partner is critical. But if you want a blueprint on who customers are choosing and why, look no further than what T-Mobile has done for their consumers over the last 5 years. Right? T-Mobile is looking at IoT much like it did with the consumer space before our Un-carrier approach. Shut up, listen to your customers, build them what they want, and repeat and repeat.